Hey guys, welcome to my first MSP video. I tried earlier, but I just failed. It was too slow. So anyway, first thing, I need to go into my account. Oh, and somebody wants to say hi, and this is my friend. Her name is Kayla, so Kayla, say hi.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Yay! Alright, so this is my channel. Yeah, I was just doing something nice actually. Grandma Lulu is here and Grandpa Lulu. I don't know what kind of names are these, but they're good. Grandma Lulu says, you know in the elven name, we do not wear short skirts. Please message to be our grandkid. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I will bring this down for you. But you cannot see the feeling of my face, so I'm so sorry. Yeah. So who cares? Alright, so yeah. I'm so sorry for my friend. I told her to shush. Let me just write or Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna change my character's look. Guys, I'll meet you back when I'm done changing her look. Okay, guys, oh, shoot, I forgot to do something. There we go. I accidentally pressed that. I don't need it. I've got 19 diamonds. I am rich. I've got 206 dark coins. I am so rich. Like, wow. I am so sorry for that killer. Turn that down right now. Turn it down before I go get my phone and smack it in your face. Alright, so yeah, guys. When I was talking about Grandpa Lilu and Grandpa Lulu, I don't know which names these are, but they're so nice. Alright, so yeah, when I was talking about them, they were like, what? I was like, what? And she said she was really sick or something. So yeah. Who is that? So yeah. I went on to my friends. Wait, let me help you see this. Turn it down. Turn the hotel. Jeez, guys, I'm sorry about that. Right, so I don't know what this is saying. Click me and check out my name. Click me. I'm clicking. Is this her name? Okay. Oh, I got a message. Let's see. Oh, that was Grandma Lilo. Grandma Lilo and Lilo. And this is actually her child one. Wow. He is amazing. I'm just going out. Alright, I don't know what she says. She goes first. No. She doesn't. Alright, so there was this. And down here, I know it's really hard to see, but it said, so me and Grandpa have... Sorry. It says, so me and Grandpa have been sad. We have no more grandkids. If you'd like to be our grandkid child, if you would like to be one of our grandchildren, then please message us. So I messaged them saying, yeah, I would love to be it because I'm so friends with them. I would So yeah, and then Grandpa, he was like, no, Grandpa Lulu is he said, oh no, Grandpa Lulu is going bald. How to help is friend him, give him an auto, like his artworks, comment, help Lulu, and if I reach my goal of 30 likes, I will have all my hair. Help your grandpa out, so I'm gonna love that. Help Lulu. I have to wait until he comes in. Yeah, he is, yeah, green boy. Oh, let's see who messages me. Bam, bam, bam. No, nobody messaged me. Yeah, and then Grandma has this up, and it's like, sorry kids, but I'm very sick, help me. And then it's like, how to save Grandma. 1. Greece. But I won't give any Greece because I don't have enough. Even though I am rich and I am rich. I'm sorry, I just can't, Grandma. I don't want to waste them. I'm so sorry. But 2 is autograph, so I can give you an autograph now. I liked her stuff because, like, I already like this. And add her, and I give her a clothing that suits her. What? What? Wait, let me go on. Oh, I said, I was in another video and I said, one VIP, and I said, please say yes, it's free, please. Oh, sorry. Wait, shout out to Kayla Galbraith for watching my videos right now. Shout out to her for subscribing as well. Yeah! And she also liked it. So shout out to her. Well done. I know it's so sad. Guys, I feel so bad. I'm going to do something on this and you'll find out. Alright, so oh, I was supposed to but then now I don't, so I'm sorry. So yeah, and then well he's the best. Me and Malta. That's so nice of him. But actually, see if we go to if we go to Grandma Lilu's I'm just gonna call her. I'm just gonna go call her Grandma Lee. If you go to her profile on my well, this is what Grandma has. I gave her this shirt and I gave her this. So yeah, these are what Grandma has. She has this, which is so funny. Oh, but she's like, yes, girl. I want to be a rock star. I am perfect. Yes, you are perfect, Grandma. With them, you're rocking them bunnishes, like literally. And also, she has these, and I don't know what she's doing with them, but okay. And she take her like fluffy things. Yeah, I gave her this T-shirt. Mm. Did I give her that? I don't know. Or may have given her. I don't know. I can't remember. I'm sorry. So, and Grandma is not lazy. Take these things from Froggies. Oh, what up there? I gave her. I actually didn't know I gave her that baby shoes. Oh, what is Grandma wearing? Grandma, you you're cool. You're the coolest person I know. Grandma, are rocking these. Oh, yeah, and also Grandpa's. I have not checked out Grandpa's. I'm just gonna yeah, give him some more. Yes, he needs it. Guys, I'll meet you back when I've done this actually. Okay, guys, I'm done. I did this. Just Grandpa's my advice. Nothing wrong. Somebody did this. You look very grandma. Grandpa said, "You're looking very grandpa." Yeah. So, guys, we're gonna hack someone. Actually, no, we're not gonna hack someone. So, guys, please, I mean it. Please, can you just please send me gifts on MSP? Cause I'm going to be doing mail time. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing mail time, and I really want to do it for you. Shout out to HGRMGR or whatever her name is, but I gave her the clothes back. No, I gave Grandma. Yeah, I gave Grandma these shoes. I gave Grandma. I gave Grandma this. I just bought them and gave her to her. And I gave just so much to so many people. Like, I love that hair. So I gave it. Maddie, I was just helping her out, so yeah. I'm sorry, guys. So, to end off the video, I want to get a boyfriend. For some reason, I'm just gonna be like, pick you, and pick you. I just don't know. I'm just gonna try for it. Oh, there's no police here. There's no boss here. Wow, that chat, California has been. Oof. Oh, we have not got a lot of. We only have 1 minute left of the video. Hurry up! Stop. Good. Good. So slow. Oh, she's tired. Guys, we have to hurry up. We don't have much time. Okay, guess what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to get a boyfriend. What? What? Oh, yes.